What's going on, guys? To the few that actually watch my channel, and to the few that subscribed, thank you and welcome. This time I'm gonna do a video just a little bit different. I have a few friends that are stopping by from Tampa, and we're gonna go on a little Grom ride. Now, this video is not gonna be based too much on the Groms, but you know, since today is my first day off for a while, I wanted to enjoy the Grom a little bit since I haven't actually been riding it for a while. So I'm going to start with that, and then maybe tomorrow I'll try to figure out my throttle cable issue, because apparently no one knows what throttle cable is needed for these Kinslers. And also I'm gonna pick up new injectors as well. So throttle cable injectors, but before that I'm gonna end up doing a little Grom ride with a few friends from Tampa, meet up in Orlando, and just kind of go around and you know, just do Grom shit. All right. so this concludes my video. Wanted to do a little bit more on the Integra, but unfortunately, you know, I had to get other parts and the throttle cable and also the injectors, but also needed time away from doing the regular build stuff, and you know, and just spend some time with friends. Ended up going to the shooting gallery with my brother, and on the way there we just saw the old school car meet that was there. Really nice people. It's just a little bit something different, just to show you, you know, for the love of cars. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click subscribe, and also make sure you like the video. Hopefully next week I'll do a little bit more update on the Integra, because the throttle cable is coming, and hopefully, let's pray that this is the correct throttle cable for it. And that's about it. All right, see ya.
Alright.